Good morning, students. Today's topic is matrices. So, the first question is, what do you mean by matrix? Matrix, it is the rectangular arrangement of scalars. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as it's a rectangular form, that's why it is said to be rectangular arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these all are said to be scalars. Now the question arises, why we study matrices and what is the application of matrices? The matrices has application in every walk of life. In mathematics, when you have to solve the system of linear equations, we use mathematics. Just like if you have the system 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, 7x plus 4y is equal to 2. So this system of equation, it will be solved with the help of matrices. Another, in the probability problems, for solving differential equations as well as we use matrices. Now matrices are very much useful in the engineering field also. So if you have electrical field or in the electrical engineering, when you have to solve the problems of electrical circuits, we use matrices. If in the field of ECE or electronics, we use the matrices in wireless communication. In mechanical engineering, for solving the finite element method, we use matrices. Then come to the physics field. In physics, we use matrices for solving the problems of quantum mechanics, classical mechanics, electrodynamics. In daily life, we use matrices to organize the dance classes or dance groups, or when we do the Google search for page ranking, we use matrices. Now let us see the journal form of the matrix. Journal form of the matrix, this is given by A11, A12, A1n, A21, A22, A2n, AM1, AM2, AMN. Here we write 1, 2, M. Here we write 1, 2, N. So this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the mth row. This is the first column, this is the second column, and this is the nth column. The order of the matrix, this is given by M by N, which has M rows and N columns. So in this way, we define the matrices. These A11, A12, A1n, these are said to be the element of the matrix. Say for example, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Now what is the order of the matrix? You can see I have 1 row, 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Now it can be possible that number of rows, those are equal to number of columns. Say I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many rows are there? 1, 2. 2 rows are there. Columns 1, 2. 2 columns are there. So rank of, you can say the order of this matrix is 2. Right. a problem is there. If a matrix has 12 elements, then what will be the order of the matrix, or how many matrix you can write of different orders? So if I have 12 elements, then how many orders it can have? 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 3 into 4 and 4 into 3. So this much order of matrices you can write. 1 row, 12 columns, 12 row, 1 column, 3 rows, 4 column, 4 rows, 3 column. Now in this lecture we will study about type of the matrix, as well as algebra of the matrices. So first take up type of the matrix. First is, what do you mean by a row matrix? A matrix having only one row is said to be row matrix. Example is 1, 2, 3. Now you can see that number of rows 1, number of columns 1, 2, 3. So 1 row, 3 columns. It's a row matrix or row vector. Next you have column matrix. A column matrix or a column vector means having only one column. So this matrix has 3 rows and 1 column. First row, second row, third row and 1 column. So it is a column matrix. Next you have horizontal matrix. So example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2. Now in horizontal matrix you can see that how many rows are there? 1, 2. 2 rows are there. So rows are less than number of columns. Columns are 3. 1, 2, 3. Next you have vertical matrix. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see that here number of rows are 3, number of columns are 2. So number of rows, this is greater than number of columns. Next you have square matrix. As the name refers, square. In which number of rows, those are equal to number of columns. Say for example 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is a square matrix. Why? Number of rows 2, number of columns 2. 2 by 2. So it is a square matrix of order